Hello everybody, Pepe coin is definitely seeing a lot of momentum here. 44 minutes dropping over 13.87%. Before I go over anything else, I just want to mention I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only, so make sure you do your own due diligence before investing into any cryptocurrency. Also a reminder, make sure you hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and subscribe. It helps out the channel. Also, I'm going to be keeping up to date with a lot of the altcoins around. Alrighty, so right now, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, Pepe, a lot of these cryptocurrencies are starting to fall. As you can see, Pepe and Shiba Inu's making a similar pattern here. It's going to be on a downfall. Same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a big sell volume right there. On the fact here, Pepe is starting to see a lot of volume and momentum. One thing I wanted to draw out here was that this was a double bottom going into a double top. Filled the gap. And whenever it filled the gap here, you can kind of see it hit this as support. Broke this support, kind of bounced off. Now it's going to stair climb back down to around the 20,000 range. I do think there's potentially that we could break the all-time high again, but the main factor here is definitely going to be timing and volume, as this has been listed on Coinbase and Robinhood. A lot of people have been investing in it and seeing that it's a top gainer, getting in, trying to make some profits as well. You got a lot of traders, and how I know is definitely going to be by the Coinbase. Pepe Coin's market cap is currently right around 9.4 billion. It looked like it just went to 9.5 billion. The volume is 19.3 billion. So you can see how much money you're losing right in that sector whenever you take a look at Pepe Coin, and it's right around 10 billion. If it drops 10%, which it has in the last 44 minutes, that is going to be over $1 billion being traded and sold. That is why you're seeing here the volume is 19.3 billion, but the market cap is 9.5. The market cap is doubled, plus around 1.3 billion more than a double to get to the volume that we've seen in the last 24 hours. That should tell you the volatility. Along with that, even the price change in just one day, being up over 62.18%, that is definitely going to be one for the books here for Pepe. Pepe Coin did get on Coinbase today, and that's one of the big reasons why it's continuing to run. With Pepe Coin, though, being up 10% within just a year is insane. A lot of people are starting to take profits, a lot of movement into other cryptocurrencies, and that's what's exactly happening here. You'll start to kind of see a sell-off, which is one of the majority of the factors of the sell-off here. Right around a 14% gain from the all-time high to the low here, right around 14%. That is going to be right around $1.4 billion being traded within just that specific time frame. I do think that we're going to try to hit this resistance right here and maybe come back down below to the 20,000 range. If volume starts to pick up and Bitcoin and Ethereum starts to pick up, I do see Pepe breaking a new all-time high, getting closer to that $12 to $15 billion market cap if it continues to ride the same way as it has. If it has any type of news or any issues along with it, Coinbase or Robinhood with any issues buying or selling or trading, there's a possibility that Pepe may start to see a little bit smaller of a pullback, but it definitely needs a consolidation period. The overall market on altcoins need a consolidation period, because if not, there needs to be time for it to be cooled down. Without it being cooled down, there's so much volume, volatility, ways to make money and also lose money. Pepe Coin, though, is definitely going to get closer back down to that 20,000 range for the short term. I do think Pepe Coin for the long term is going to be able to hold up pretty close with Shiba Inu and some of these other altcoins in the top 20.